first of all, you need to open the Dreamweaver program, which is all programs, Windows 7, Adobe Master Collection, it's this green one, Dreamweaver. Last lesson, you should have saved your front cover for your magazine. You may have a title on it, possibly an MP3 player as well. This lesson, I'm going to put a button which goes to a second page in your magazine, and we're going to have like an interactive gallery where we can read about the news and things. So once Dreamweaver's opened, go to File, Open, and then you need to find where you saved your front cover. Mine, I saved it inside my documents in a folder called eMagazine webpage. Some of you might have saved it inside student videos. In ICT, you might have one in a folder with your name on. I saved it there as well. If you save it actually inside the MP3 folder, where you've got your MP3 player, then it will load your MP3 player properly. So I saved it there as well. That's the one that I'm going to continue working on, this one here. So this is your front cover at the moment, title at the top, MP3 player down the side. On my design I had a big picture of David Beckham there and then buttons going down here. So first of all I'm going to put in the picture which goes in here. To do that I'm going to open up my design. I'm just going to copy the picture I had there and put it in here. So this was my design, so I'm just going to click where I've got my picture of David Beckham there. I might actually crop it, it's quite wide, I don't need all of this bit. So I'll crop it first of all. And then I'm going to copy this picture, and in Dreamweaver, if I insert a new layer, Layout Objects, AP Div, give me one of those little blue boxes. Do you remember I said they're like text boxes? And then you should be able to right click and paste in there. There we go. So I can view this on the internet just to check that it's all working. Preview in browser, Internet Explorer. It's going to ask you if you want to save first. Yes, you do. So here's my eMagazine as it's looking at the moment. In my design, I had my buttons down the right hand side. I think I'm going to change that and put them just underneath here. So from my design, where I've made these buttons, I'm just going to highlight all of those. And then if we copy them, I'll make another new layer. It's being a bit of a pain to scroll down at the moment because it runs out of page. So if I click in the top left corner and just hold down the enter button for a while, it makes the page longer. Just makes it easier to work with. So I'm going to insert Layout Objects, AP Div, and see if I can paste those buttons. Oh, better give it a name. There we go, so those are in there. And then you can preview what it looks like. In the next video, we'll have a look at how we actually make these buttons work and how we add an interactive gallery to the website. That's how we're looking at the moment.